Good evening to everyone. Good evening to everyone over here. My name is Adegbe Rafaelu Atopoloba. Firstly, the reason and purpose of this video is to enlighten some of you or some of us on how important it is when we have our own self-email server. We all know there are some basically advantage of sending emails, and we do advise ourselves most time that we should build our list. What is the essence? What is the most important of we building our list? Are we building our list with money, and even again sending it with a lot of money using our email marketing companies? We see how most of our email marketing companies charge us more and more for sending emails. And I think the better way for us to send our emails is when we have our own self-hosted email server. Have your own email server. The reason why you need to have your own email server, which is developed with Powermta Smtp software. In this video, I will be explaining some features, and I will be doing some practical aspect of it, so we can see how important it is for us to have our own email server. Email server is having our own email server is better than taking our emails or taking our list to email marketing companies for them to send, or for us to send there, because they will charge us more and more for sending a little of emails that we have. We are going to check get response, we are going to check Mailchimp, we are going to check However, and we are going to know their difference and how much they charge for us to send our emails with their company. And we are going to see how profitable we will be when we have our own email server. Let's dive into the video. What is Powermta software? Powermta software is a SMTP software that is a premium, let's say a premium SMTP software, which is powered by a very big ISP network. Powermta software is used by different kind of companies. We are talking about big companies. Even our email companies are making use of it. Powermta software allows us to rotate IPs. We can rotate IPs on this Powermta software. That means our email server will not be built on one IP. Using Powermta software, we can easily rotate. We can easily build our email server on more than 1, 3, 10, 20, 50, 100 IPs, by which every emails we are sending will not be powered or will not be weighed down on one IPs. If you understand me, I will be explaining better by what? By telling us that when we have a Powermta software, we will be able to have more than one IP, or even more than 10 IP on one server, which will allow or which will enable us to send our bulk emails unlimitedly without affecting other IPs. Because if you are using one IP, not that it can't be able to send it, it's going to send it without one IP, but it make it less, as in it make the work easier. It make us have a very good open rate. It make us have a very smooth email sending by using multiple IPs. Another advantage of using Powermta SMTP software is that Powermta SMTP software come with SMTP monitors. On this monitor, we can monitor how our emails are going. It's not because we sent our emails from our email marketing application and we think the email has been delivered. There are some people that will send their email and they will be thinking that their email has been delivered, and based on this ISP, some ISP is going to block some emails. But when you are using Powermta SMTP software, you will be able to see those emails that are queued, those emails that has not been delivered, and those emails that has been delivered. So basically on this video, we will be checking the various price of email marketing companies, how we are charged by sending our emails through their server, and how is it important for us to have our own email server. Basically this is going for the affiliate marketers. If you are using email marketing for affiliate marketing, for your drop shipping, for anything, for your YouTube, for anything, I think it is the high time for us to have our own self email server. When we have our own self email server, we can be able to send unlimited emails, even without paying extra fee, without paying anyone extra fee for sending additional emails. And if our email server is developed with a SMTP software like Powermta, we are going to be having a very good inbox rate. Powermta SMTP software will give us 90% inbox rate based on anything we are sending. If you are sending 10,000, we are going to get 90% inbox rate. So the essence of we developing a email server is for us to get a very good inbox rate, because if our emails are not going to our prospect inbox, there is no way we are going to expect them to give us feedback, or there is no way you are going to expect them to click our link or to see what we are trying to communicate or to sell to them. But when our emails are going through their inbox, they will be able to see what we are really selling, what they are supposed to do, and the link they're supposed to click. So that is the reason why that is the essence of having an email server that can give us a high inbox rate. And with Powermta SMTP software, you are assured to have 90% inbox rate. Let's dive into the practical aspect of it. Basically, we are going to the Mailchimp. Mailchimp is an email marketing company that do offer email marketing. You can register on Mailchimp. They will give you free 1,000 list. They will give you free 1,000 credit to upload your list and send to your subscribers. You can use them for cold mailing, and you can use them for to get your opt-in, to get your lead from your advertisement or from your website, from anywhere. So let's check their price. If you are sending 500 leads, this is every month, not a day. If you are sending 500 leads in a month, you can get that for free, and you can get that for $11. When you are sending between 1 to 500, you can get that for free. When you are sending between 1 to 15, for free as well. When you are sending between 1 to 25, you can get that for free. You will be allowed to pay $34 every month for you to send $2,500 email every month. You will be paid. You will pay $34 every month for you to send 2,500 emails. Let's check for us to send 5,000 emails. For us to send 5,000 emails every month, we are going to be paying $59 every month for us to send 5,000 emails. Let's check 10,000. For us to send 10,000 emails, you'll be paying $87 every month. $87 every month for us to send 10,000 emails. While for us to send 20,000 emails, you'll be paying $189 every month. Can you see how expensive that is? You'll be paying $189 every month for us to send 20,000 emails. While for us to send 50,000 emails, we'll be paying almost $300 every month. For us to send 50,000 emails every month, we'll be paying $300. Let's check to get response. Get Response also offer 500 contacts. You can send 500 lists every month, which is free. What of when we want to send up to like 50,000? You can't get that for free. Same thing, 50,000, you'll be able to pay $300 every month for us to send 50,000 contacts in a month. Let's check to, however, for us to send, however, the limit is 25,000. For us to send 25,000 subscribers every month, we'll be paying $150 every month. And this is the reason why we need to have our own email server. When we have our own email server, we are only paying once for the developer to develop our email server, which can charge, and we are going to be paying only to renew our VPS and our IP every month based on the IP you are using. If you are using 1 or 2 IP, you might be paying nothing less than $10 to $15 every month, just every month, $10 to $15, irrespective of any emails you are sending. And you can send unlimited emails when you get your own email server. You can send unlimited email when you get your own email server. And another thing, you can monitor your emails. When you get your own email server, your email server will be developed, and it will be a email marketing application also will be installed on your server for you, which will enable you to automate, to create template, to create anything. Even based on this, you can create a sales page. There's an e-commerce sales page on this application, which you can even upload your list. You can do everything. You can do automation. You can link this email application to your website to collect lead from your website. This is basically applicable for the affiliate marketers, even for bloggers. You can, as you are sending traffic to your website, you can use this application to get leads from your website. You can even send them message for them to go through any even latest blog post you upload or you publish on your blog or your website, for them to go through it and clicks without paying any additional money. So let's dive into the email server and test our email server. I've created a sample list on this email server, and for your information, this email server has done 11. Can you see now? Before it was 10,000. Now it has done 11,000 lead. We have been able to send 11,000 lead. This is the Smtp monitor. We have been able to send 11,000 lead with this email server, and we are still sending more. With this email server. We are able to send 11,000, and we are still sending more with this email server. Let's go to the email server and send some test message to email, a set of email, and let's see if it's going to deliver to inbox or not. So for this purpose of the video, I have created a email list here, which is 6 email list. We go to next. You can create your own list. When you have your own email server, you can create your own list yourself. You can add anything you want. Okay, let's do some sample and email subject. Let's do the email subject like, okay, let me get an email, then the best way to make money with Amazon. Okay, start. Making money with Amazon with TP today. Before we send this, we are going to check if our subject is spamming or it is safe. So there's a particular software I do use. Let me check it. That is software I do use for the email to check if our email is good or is our subject is good or is bad. So let's check it here. Now you can see our subject line is not safe enough because it does not give us green. So we are going to check it again and recraft it. So I've gotten one. Look at this. Look at the subject line. Get high converting marketing content design. Look at this subject. Subject is very cool and it gives us green. So this is software I use to check if my subject line is good or is not good, because the first thing is that if you are sending anywhere, even with your email marketing company, if you are sending any email or you are sending any copy to your audience or your prospect, make sure your subject line is very good and not spamming, because if a keyword there is spamming, it might lead to your email to go to spam. It can affect your email, it can affect everything. But when your subject line is well crafted and okay, then you are good to go. So for that purpose, I make use of this software to check my what? My subject line, if it's okay or not. So after that, when we copy it, copy it, then go to our software, put it here. Name, just put any name, your company name. Okay, I can put my name, Adeboye, Raphael, or I should leave it in what? Per month. Per month. Good. Good. Okay. After that, this one should be set up. We continue. Continue. So we continue to the next stage. The network. Here now. So after this, we have to create our message. So create a what? Template. So I will show you one of the templates we have in this email marketing application that you can even use for your what? To set your copy, to write your message, everything, and to design it. Even you can design the sales pitch from this network. So as you can see, I can see all the templates involved in this. Choose a layout for your campaign template. As you can see, the feature template, we have the theme, even the theme, we have the WooCommerce, we have theme. You can upload your template. Look at the template. You can even choose from. Template. You can upload your own template. WooCommerce template. Can you see them? Abandon cart. So all these things you can choose from. So all these basic you can choose from. So look at the templates you can just choose from here. Look at all the templates you can choose from here. So I'll just create a blank template. I'll use a blank template. So let's see how we're going to do it. Just a simple text message. So I'll go for Pro Builder. Let's see how it's going to open. I'm sorry, the video is too long. No, I don't plan for it to be too long like this. Yeah, it has loaded up now. So the next step for us is just drag and drop. Look at the button. We have the button. We have the table. We have social link. So we just drag and drop anything you want to do. You can just do it. Drag and drop inside. So we have text. So let's put a text here, like a no. There's an option here that we can use to edit the text. I think because of the network. Yeah. then we can add a tag, maybe using their email or their first name if you get that. So the next one is another text. So this, let me get it. So I've gotten the text I can use for this purpose. Let me just paste it here. Then we edit it. We can edit it by month. You can edit it. So all this thing there's link here, you can just remove the link. Or let's leave the link. The offer is for someone. Let's leave the link. So after then we can add our what? Can add our footer, because adding footer is very, very important. Adding a footer is very, very, very important. Adding a footer is very, very, very important. So after that, then we save and close. So let's review our message. Can you see this is how it's going to open? This is how we're going to see it in our inbox. Look at it, close, then next. You can even schedule our message. Maybe you want to do autoresponder based on automation. You can schedule it, but this one we are sending it right away. So you can cross check everything. We are sending it right away. Cool. Let's see it. Let's check our inbox and let's see if it drop or not. Let's check our inbox. Waiting for the message to drop, right? Let's check Yahoo Mail. Wow, look at it. It has dropped in our Yahoo Mail. Look at it here. Look at it here. It has dropped in our Yahoo Mail. Look at the message here. Inbox to Yahoo Mail. Let's check our Hotmail as well. Wow, inbox. Look at it. Look at it in our Hotmail. Look at it in our Hotmail. Inbox. So we are waiting for it to drop in our Yahoo Mail. Look at it here. Our Hotmail. So let's check our Gmail. We are waiting to drop in our Gmail. We are still expecting it to drop in our Gmail. So because of this, we can check our monitor. Look at it now. So we have three Gmail waiting to be dropped in our monitor. Look at it. Can you see it? We have three. We are waiting for 3 to drop in our monitor. So we are going to wait for it to drop. Let's wait for it to drop in our email. Still has not dropped. I know we can't see it in our inbox. We can in our spam. We are not getting our promotion on our inbox. So let's AO email too. Wow, inbox. We get it in our inbox. Look at it here. We have it in our inbox. So we don't have to. Everything is active. Look at it. So waiting for it to drop in our email, in our Gmail rather. Waiting for it to drop in our Gmail, both our Gmail. We have not received it. So we are going to receive it. Let's wait for it. So I have to refresh the Gmail. So let's wait for it to drop. Based on our monitor is telling us that still Gmail are still in queue. So we are going to wait for them to leave the queue to go to inbox. So that is one Gmail. We have seen this one in our inbox. This ones are dropping our inbox, and this one can get it in promotion. Social to be dropped in our inbox. We are going to get it in our inbox. We are going to get it now. So we are still waiting for it to drop in our inbox. So as you can see it, we got it in our inbox. We get it in our inbox. Inbox. I think it's going to save cost. So this is where I will stop the video. If you need your own email server, you can just chat me through Facebook or chat me through WhatsApp, so we can talk on how we can develop your own email server for you. Thank you very much. Good night and have a nice night rest. I still remain Adegbera Folu Atobeloba. Thank you.